We scored this dresser for just $35 at a local thrift store, and today we're giving it a fresh new look. Watch as we turn this old piece into something brand new, step by step. Before we dive into sanding, we need to remove all those old layers of paint. Off camera, we used our favorite paint stripper to peel away the old finish. Now let's get down to business. We'll begin with an 80 grit Reptilion Sanding Sheet. This is perfect for tackling stubborn layers of paint, coatings, or even rust. Sand it down until you're left with bare wood. For the more detailed areas, we're going to cut an 80 grit 9x11 Reptilion Sanding Sheet and attach it to a multi-surface rubber sanding block. The versatility makes this ideal for the corners, edges, and other hard-to-reach areas. Now it's time to sand with a 120 grit. Simply change out your paper and reattach to the 1/4 sheet sander. Sand over the entire piece again to smooth everything out with a 120 grit sanding sheet. Use the sheet by itself for the detailed areas. Now it's time to move up to 180 grit sandpaper. This is the final grit before staining. It opens the wood grain just enough to receive the stain or coating. The wood is prepped and ready for a stain or coating of your choice. We're using Varathane Premium Fast Dry in the color Golden Oak. You can pick your favorite stain or coating, but we love how this one brings out the natural beauty of the wood. Wait 3 minutes and then use a rag to wipe off the excess stain. Lightly scuff sand the wood with a 320 grit Super Sponge. This helps the stain or finish adhere better. For added protection and a durable finish, we're applying Varathane Oil-Based Polyurethane Satin. This step adds that perfect satin finish while sealing and protecting the wood. This step is optional, but for added glow, take a 600 grit Super Sponge and gently polish the surface. To finish, apply a second coat of polyurethane. This ensures your piece stays durable and looking great for years to come. And there you have it. With a little patience and the right tools, this thrift store dresser is transformed into a beautiful, high-quality piece that's sure to impress. Let us know what you think of the transformation.